Anthropic just released Claude Opus 4.7 today. And if you're already on Claude Pro or Max, you already have it. It replaced the previous version automatically. Same price, better at almost everything that matters. Today, exactly what changed in plain English. No jargon. What does this actually mean for you when you open Claude tomorrow morning? I am Mario, this is AI Alpha, let us get into it. Quick context. Claude has 3 tiers. Haiku is the fast, lightweight version. Sonnet is the middle tier, what most people use every day. Opus is the most powerful, the one you use when you need the best possible answer. Opus 4.7 is the new top of that range. Replaces Opus 4.6 from February. Available right now on claude.ai, the API, Google Cloud and Microsoft. Claude Pro or Claude Max, you have it right now. Same price, nothing to upgrade. The biggest improvement is coding. Here's how to think about it. Researchers measure AI coding by giving it real bugs from real open source software. Not toy examples, actual bugs, actual code bases. The test, can the model produce a fix that actually works? On that test, Opus 4.7 jumped nearly 7 points over Opus 4.6. On a harder version, real production code bases, it jumped 10 points. In one real-world company test, Opus 4.7 solved 3 times more production tasks than 4.6. 3 times. In the Cursor code editor, one of the most popular AI coding tools right now, Opus 4.7 scored 70%. Opus 4.6 scored only 58. 12-point jump, the biggest single improvement in this release. What this means if you're not a developer. When you ask Claude to help you build something, an app, a script, a tool, an automation, it is significantly more likely to get it right the first time. Fewer rounds of fixes, less back and forth, more done. Second big improvement, vision. When you send Claude an image, a screenshot, a photo, a document, a diagram, the old version could see it at around 1.15 megapixels. Opus 4.7 sees images at 3.75 megapixels, more than 3 times the pixel count. Practically, sent Claude a screenshot and it missed part of the text. Fixed. Sent it a PDF and it could not read a small print. Fixed also. Asked it to read a chart or diagram and got a vague answer. It's also fixed. On a test of reading what it is on screen, Opus 4.7 scored 79.5%. Opus 4.6 scored only 57.7%. That is not incremental, that is a different capability. Third, it follows your instructions more precisely. The old version sometimes interpreted instructions loosely. Skipped a step it decided was not necessary. Added something you did not ask for. Answered the spirit of what you asked instead of exactly what you asked. Opus 4.7 takes instructions literally, precisely, step by step. For most people, clear improvement. But honest heads up, if you have prompts that have worked well for a long time, some may behave slightly differently because Claude is now more literal. If you notice any change, that is why. 2 more smaller improvements worth knowing. Memory. Opus 4.7 is better at remembering across long multi-session work. If you are working on a big project over multiple conversations, less likely to forget what you established earlier. Less repeating yourself. Knowledge cutoff moved from May 2025 to January 2026. 8 more months of world events, AI news and information. The honest part, where Opus 4.7 is not better. web search and browsing, and Gemini still lead here. Opus 4.7 actually scored slightly lower on web browsing tasks than 4.6. Need an AI to pull current information from the web? That is not where Claude wins. Command line and terminal tasks, GPT 5.4 scores higher there, and this is not as powerful as Claude Mythos. The version Anthropic is only sharing with about 40 organizations right now for cybersecurity. Opus 4.7 is the best Claude the public gets. Mythos is in a different category. Claude Opus 4.7 released today, same price, already on your account if you are on Pro or Max. Coding dramatically better. Vision 3 times sharper. Instructions followed precisely. Memory improved. Knowledge 8 months fresher. Not the best at web search, but for writing, coding, images analysis, and complex reasoning, the best version of Claude that has ever been available to the public. What is the first thing you are going to test Opus 4.7 on? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.